Well, he bataka me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have some good news for you. Yes, the transcripts, viewers and subscribers, transcripts have been filed. Yes, and you know, there are thousands of pages, because remember, the case itself, the trial, the initial trial, the first trial, all of the documentations from that had to be written up, well, typed up rather, and also all the documents from the local appeal. Now, for those who are wondering, yes, freedom is a must, because via the way the trial was handled, at that I will guarantee the teachers freedom. First and foremost, evidence being tampered with, and that has now been, or that has become public knowledge. Yes, it has been proven. Experts testified during the appeal and said that there is no way at all that should have been admitted as evidence, because the way the evidence from the the mobile devices were retrieved caused the evidence to be corrupted, and what they had to do was piece it back together. So guess what them do? Them left off what them feel like for left off, and add on what them feel like for add on, and splice the entire conversation together. And now the appeal judges, the 3-judge tribunal, they said the reason why they have chosen to uphold the initial conviction was based on that evidence. And what the experts them say. Remember, these 3 judges are not experts in that field. Yeah, they know about the law, but the evidence and the way it was retrieved, they know nothing. They are not experts on that. The experts have said no, that should have never been admitted as evidence. And to hear that the 3-judge tribunal decided that the only reason, you can remember there was no forensics, so they relied on the cyber evidence. Now the experts in that field have said and made their statements public. They said it in court, and remember the transcripts have been typed up. So on that basis, we didn't ever go into the whole settings of the draconian system and the way it was handled and the way powers that be meddled in the trial and also in the appeal. Just based on that notion alone, freedom is a must. Very exciting news, because remember, if this was up to the local authorities, I know the documents in my type up. We know how them got to work. Now, I mean, remember when they had the documents to review, it took them over 4 months before them would say, yo, alright, yes, the documents have been reviewed. And we know they never read through that. Now, I mean, we know them never read through that, because it was all about stalling the appeal process. Now it is now out of their hands. Make we see what the DPP are going to do or say no. Make we see what go on. I'm never big up Vybz Kartel. You know why? Vybz Kartel continues to be a teacher and a leader for the youths. Watch the play. Many youths or many individuals find themselves in the crosshairs with the law or with the powers that be. And because they don't have the wherewithal, meaning the funding or even the knowledge to say, watch you can't fight this. You don't have to accept what them say. Not because them say, alright, they're guilty. That no means say it stop this up. You can always appeal that verdict And if the appeal court decides them now work with the situation, you can take it to the Privy Council. It not stop locally. So we have a Governor General, yes, it not stop locally. Meaning say our highest court is in the UK. Now this is a first world country. Yes, first world country. Circumstantial evidence now go work this up. Then we say first and foremost, the investigators. Why did they not investigate the matter? And after the matter was investigated and all evidence was gathered, why would a court accept tampered with evidence? Why did they do that? And then hand out a conviction? And then now to make it even worse, the matter was brought before the appeal court. And even the appeal court did not remedy the situation. But feel like the whole justice system locally, it needs a renovation. Certain people, you don't know, we're not advocate for people lose them jobs and things like that. But some people reach the age of retirement, retire gracefully. When you reach pension age, collect on the pension and go somewhere else, go do something else, man. Go beg forgiveness for the wrongs they want to do. See, the judge for the initial trial, right after that trial, and with that judge too, he had a personal grudge. We're not getting into it right now, but he had a personal grudge. We're not going to this. But after the trial, him filing retirement documents and leave the justice system. The DPP should have done the same. Even these three judges, them will do the same too. Because they not do them job. Them not do them job. They might take taxpayers' dollars and now remedy situations. We have a DPP and all of the matters that is important to the nation. All situations that we feel like should be handling. Should not handle that. Our focus is on entertainer. Yes, the king of the dancehall. I am sure focus on. I don't know if she have a personal agenda too as well. I don't know what go on this. But either the powers that be that empower and that give our direction. Say, watching this individual that you should pay all your focus on. But we saw go on with even the situation up the school. You know what I mean? The maritime school. Them not angry that. We saw go on with some law enforcement individuals. Them not angry that. So all them pay so much attention to Vybz Kartel situation, knowing say them wrong because they did not want the truth to be revealed. Them never wanted bring to the light. But there's a saying. Whatever in the dark must be brought into the light. And that's how we go on. You know what I mean? And Vybz Kartel's case also bring to light or shed some light on the whole justice system overall and the way court proceedings are handled. Wherever them say there's a backlog at the court. Why for the back? But now we see why. Because majority of the time is most of these individuals who their cases are before the courts and there's a long wait are either remanded or, well, majority of them are remanded. And you know that go. More taxpayer dollars. Yeah, more taxpayer dollars. That way to keep pumping funding into certain areas of local governance. That's the only way I must explain it. Different from the personal grudges that some of these high profile cases bring. But feel like them just do it to continue pumping taxpayer dollars into certain facets of the society. Gone are the days that people ask for road. People stop asking for road years now. Because we are majority of people who ask for road don't own a motor vehicle. Don't even own a bicycle. But watch the play now. Now people are asking for things that matter. We want a fair justice system. We want more jobs. We want minimum wage increase. These are the matters that matter to people. But what we say go on? Where's your MP, your council, your member of parliament? Where them there? Nowhere to be found. And the teacher case shed some light upon the way these matters are handled. The justice system is a very important facet of governance and also of life in any country. Because the do's and the don'ts is how you govern yourself. And when you can't govern yourself, or you don't know the laws, or even when you know the laws to a T, and you have the powers that be, we are trying to change the rules time and time again, how will you survive? Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. You know the settings. And I mean the share icon is close or located close to the like icon. Drop a like and share the video. Comment section open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you know the something go. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper.